So, guys, 3 days till Christmas. So, once I unwrap those, I'll just, do a toy review. So right now I'm doing a toy review on my train. So here's the thing. So you can make it go speed, but don't want it to go too speedy. If you click direction once it stops, again, it will go the opposite direction. And too bad the bell or the horn or the whistle doesn't work. So yeah, that's all to it. So yeah, all to it. So if somehow I can get my iPod on here, which I think I probably couldn't, I'm just gonna lay it down right here, guys, so you can see what that would be like.